In this lesson, we're going to cover toggling comments using keyboard shortcuts. We'll include single-line comments, block comments, and also how to generate the element comments or Javadoc comments for our elements. If we look at our source menu, we can see that there's toggle comment, which has Control plus /, adding a block comment, Control Shift /, removing a block comment, Control Shift /, and generating an element comment, Alt Shift J. Of course, Control is Command on the Macintosh, and Alt is Option on the Macintosh. So with that, let's take a look at quickly adding some comments. And I'm first going to show you a shortcut that isn't listed in that menu. So if I quickly want to comment out a single line, I can hit Control 7 or Command 7 on the Mac, and that will toggle a comment. So Control 7 again removes it. Now that's the same thing as doing Control and /, and you can toggle that back and forth. Control Shift and / won't do anything at this point. Control Shift and / won't do anything at this point. But if I want to select an entire section, now if I hit Control Shift and /, you'll note that I can get comments wrapped around with the /*/ syntax. And again, to undo that, I would hit Control Shift and /. We have to have things selected in order to give a block comment, however, so just make sure that you know that. And again, we can redo and undo that. Now note, if we hit Control 7 or Control /, it will comment out all the lines that we have selected with the similar comment. It's just not the block comment that we were looking at before. And so we've covered how to create a single line comment with multiple commands and remove it, and we've covered how to make block comments and remove it. So let's look at element comments. So right now we have our class here with no Javadoc for password data editor. So if I hit Alt Shift J or Option Shift J on the Mac, what we'll see is that it will automatically generate the Javadoc comments, and we can go from there to add our own and make our comments complete. But that wraps up our look at the comments for toggling comments using Control /, adding block comments and removing block comments using Control Shift and /, generating element comments with Alt Shift J, and the Control 7 shortcut to add or remove comments very easily.